Today I have a very interesting video for you. This is an automatic counter. We have a button which when you click on the upper part, it increases the count, the lower part decreases the count, and we get the total after multiplying the count by the price. So it's actually very easy to make this one, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, make sure you have the developer option. If you don't have this option, I have a video back there. Just go and check how we enable developer options. Click on it, then go to insert, then click on this option here. This is what you want, and go and highlight the area where you want that button to occupy. I want mine there. So we now have the button. So right click on it, go to format control, click on control, this one. Don't change anything here. Go to the cell link because that's where you want to select the cell where you want to link the button to. I want the count, so I highlight that one. I click on OK. So the cell is now linked. Actually, we can name this item 2. And now let's check whether our counter is working. Click on the upper part. It's increasing, so meaning it's working. The button is working. So what we want to do is to, let's say item 2 costs $10. And so the total will be automatic. So that will be is equals to, you multiply the count by the price. You hit on enter and now we have the total. So if I click on the upper button, everything increases, the lower button decreases. I'm sure now you agree that that was very easy. So in my next video, I'm going to take this a step further. Make sure you watch that video. It's very interesting.